Okay, that looks like an abomination. Holy crap, that looks like Michael Jackson. Looks like someone smeared period blood all over his face. Look at that. Juicy. Okay, TikTok, let's see what you got. Okay, here's our first one. Alright. Oh, I see what this is. This is bait. This is supposed to be the don't, and this is supposed to be the better one. But is it though? I mean, look at those crusty lips. Is that supposed to be your standard of good lips? I keep telling you guys, stop adding details on the lips. Stop putting those crusty lines on the lips. You know what you should focus on? Just focus on making it juicy. And then bam! What is up? So this guy is just copy pasting the drawings from their previous tutorials and trying to see if they work as a whole. Okay, that looks like an abomination. Oh, okay, cool. They're trying to match the color with the rest of the head and then blending. That's better. Ooh, and this is the final result. Ooh la la. Anyway, let's try that with my tutorials. Eye tutorial? Check. Juicy lips tutorial? Check. Nose tutorial. Okay, we are done. Juicy. Next. Okay, what is this? Color theory? What about color theory? Alright. Oh my god, let's try it out if it works. Okay, let's eye drop this baby. Holy crap, it's changing colors. The color theory is color theorying. Wait a second, there's something in there. Holy crap, it's your mom. Hov, too lazy to add details. Makes a brush instead. Okay. This is the dumbest tutorial ever. Homie, why would I make a brush when I could just go on the Clip Studio Asset Store and look for free brushes already made by other people? Like, dude, if you're gonna make a scar, you could just look up scar like this, SCAR, then filter by brush. And then select the most popular because we want bangers, not flops. And bam! You got here some free brushes. There are also paid ones. It's like 10 coins, but I only have 30. Yes, I'm poor. I'm not gonna waste it on some demo, okay? So I'm just gonna click on this free brush right here. And look at this. It's a friggin' brush pack, man. It's a whole pack. Lots of scar brushes. You see that? Making brushes yourself? No. Just look for already made brushes, homie. The material has been downloaded. Heck yeah. So just open this arrow thing on the right. We're here at my downloads. And you can drag and drop it onto your workspace. Shazam! And now we're gonna select a red color and put that all over her face. We're gonna use multiply like so. And I'm gonna darken it just a little bit. And then bam! Work smart, not hard, people. Why we make a brush? You can literally look up anything on the Clip Studio Asset Store, okay? There's literally nothing that you cannot find on the Clip Studio Asset Store, except maybe my will to live. So this guy is trying to do a portrait without sketches or any guidelines. Okay, going pretty well. Holy crap, that looks like Michael Jackson. Nice. Okay, actually it's not that bad. It's pretty cool. Let's try it out for ourselves. First step is obviously to find a good reference. Oh my gosh, I am exposing my Pinterest feed. Please cover your eyes. Alright, we got here this hot guy. He low-key looks like Ezra Miller, but let's not talk about that. Okay, let's do this. I think that this is a pretty good tip because like if you don't have guidelines and you're only looking at blobs, you're gonna train your mind to like group the colors into simple shapes like that. But I don't know, man. I'm not a neuroscientist. I'm gonna use the lasso fill tool to just slap on the colors. Alright. Beautiful. It's already coming together. Of course, we're gonna add a little wing. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so obviously I'm gonna start with the face. I have no idea where we're going with this. Alright, gasification. Okay, not gonna lie, he looks like when The Weeknd got plastic surgery. Bro, this was supposed to be a video of me roasting TikTok videos. Why am I roasting my own art? Just trying to blend everything together? Oh yes. Let's add the juicy hair first. Okay, let's continue working on it. I wanna unalive myself. Bro, this is taking too long for a TikTok challenge, but I shall do it for the likes. The hair is basically just a bunch of blobs, so it isn't that hard to do. And then we're gonna do the hand. Oh yes, material girl. Okay, let's just add lines real quick. Okay, I'm finished. Not gonna lie, this is actually really far from the reference. This guy, the reference, he's like a DILF, okay? But then this guy just looks really yassified. I do not like this challenge, okay? But you know, this is a pretty good challenge to do when you want to improve. This is how I make my art pretty. Select dark red and with a new layer, draw a circle. Then they drew a smaller light yellow circle, okay? Then just blur and then turn the layer into overlay. And here are the drawings that they drew using this technique. Okay, it seems pretty decent. Let's try it out on my drawing. Just gonna sketch out the face and then color. I have a very bad feeling. You see, the way I render my art is that I use the airbrush tool a lot and I already put highlights, which means that my art is already yassified. Okay, no need for further yassification. So let's see how this is gonna go. Okay, just gonna draw the hair real quick. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna put effort on the hair. Anyway, this is my art, right? Let's do that real quick. So let's put this blood of my enemy's color onto the face and then add this gross piss color and blur it like so. Then we're gonna convert it to overlay. Okay, here's the big reveal. What? It looks like someone smeared period blood all over his face. What the heck is this? Why does he look like the yassified version of the Joker? Bro, I do not like this challenge. It is not for me. I would give it a 0. But the way the lips got juicified. Alright, 1 out of 10. Okay, but to be serious, it's probably only gonna work if you have the same art style as this guy. Like, if you got thin line art and simple shading, this is definitely gonna work. But for my style, for my yassified vampire juicy lips art style, heck no, ain't no way. Alright, next.
How I shade skin, who's make it? First stick.
What, bro, what the heck is this SpongeBob text-to-speech voice? What the heck? Okay, let's play the video.
Pick a purple gray color. Put it over the full drawing. Put the layer to clipping mode. Set the blending mode as multiply. Pick a light sickly green color. Otherwise it will look pink. Use a brush with a soft edge for the trick to work. It makes a worm owling. Just like in real life.
Okay, that Monokuma voice was killing me, man. But let's try it out. So let's color this sketch real quick. The skin, the hair, and then I'm gonna color the headphones. She doesn't have huge ears, okay? Those are headphones. Okay, so as you notice, she's only putting very minimal details like the blush, the juicy lips, and then they changed the color of the line art a little bit. And then from what I understand, you're supposed to like merge all the layers together like so. So we're gonna put this purple color like Barney's poop and then set it to multiply while lowering the opacity. Then we're gonna put the glow color. Interesting. What if I like put it on the side like this? Alright, interesting. But like I actually like saw an artist, they shaded the nose like this, just a little Illuminati triangle. It looks cool, right? It looks a little bit cool. Okay, let's add some more details. We're gonna put like a little bit of light above as well. By the way, when there's light from above, it's always gonna bounce, alright? So we're gonna put a little bit of light below because light bounces back. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of detail, just the eyes and the juicy lips. And there you have it. Look at that. Juicy. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, what the heck are you still doing here? Go watch my other videos, okay? They're all good. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next. Stay cool.